Hello everyone, welcome to JSP Ambience Luxury. My name is Jenny and I am the owner and creator of JSP Ambience Luxury. Today is a segment called The Strength of a Woman, and we're going to be talking about why do men choose low maintenance wives and cheat with high maintenance women. Again, why do men choose low maintenance wives or girlfriends? And when they want to cheat, they cheat with high maintenance women or side chicks. I think for some reasons, we women, we make it easier for these men to spend their money out there with those side chicks. We make it easier for them because when we as women, when we get married or when we see somebody we're comfortable with or somebody we see that is a future, with us, we become so complacent. We like, oh yeah, we're trying to manage, we have we're planning on our marriage, we're planning on getting together and having one home, we're planning on having children, so we don't do our nails no more, we don't do our hair no more, we don't do this, we don't do that. We make it easier for the men because, oh yeah, we want him to be our husband, or we want them to marry us, so we make it easier for them. When they want to cheat, guess what? That money that you're trying to save in your family, they take it to go and cheat with their high maintenance side chick. I have a video where I talked about I don't take men to the Goodwill store. You see, I will go to the Goodwill store by myself. When my children were younger, I will go with my children. And I go with my girlfriends to the Goodwill store, to the thrift store. But I will not go to the Goodwill store. I will not go to the thrift store with a man. You hear me? Because when we came to this country, when we came to America initially, my ex-husband would take the children and I to the Goodwill store. And when you go there, you $100 clothes everywhere the apartment will be filled up with clothes, and we'll be washing. We're happy. Oh, we bought so many clothes, so many used clothes. One day I went through his wallet. Don't ask me why. Because we know with women, when you start searching, you're gonna find what you're looking for. So we work with our intuition. So I went through his wallet. I saw a receipt from Macy's. For those of us who don't know what Macy's is a high-earned departmental store. So when I saw the receipt, I opened it up. It was $350 on women's toiletries. And I know the toiletries didn't come to me. He didn't buy me anything. So I was wondering, I confronted him. He was like, yeah, I took a friend of mine out to buy her some toiletries. I'm like, oh, will you take the children and I to the Goodwill store to go buy our own toiletries? But you take your girlfriend out to go buy toiletries at a high-earned departmental store. I said, from that point on, I don't take him to the Goodwill store. I don't take no man to the Goodwill store. I'm sorry. Because I'm here, we have family together. We have children together. They are going to school. We're trying to build up our business. We're trying to do this. We're trying to do that. The money I'm trying to save in the house is what you're taking to your side chick to go for toiletries. I don't take men to the Goodwill store no more. I go by myself. That is my first rule. Don't ask me to go to the Goodwill store. I will not do that. And that's what I'll tell women. When you keep empowering yourself, you can do whatever you want to do with your money. And men loving dating a high maintenance women out there, and their own home or their own girlfriend or their own wives, they prefer them to be low maintenance. When we agree to that standard, when we agree for them or with them, not taking care of us in our home or in our relationship, we're leaving so much money at their disposal to spend on their side chick out there. I don't care if you want to get your nails done, go get your nails done. For me, I really don't do my nails because I have to braid hair. If you want to get your nails done, get your nails done. Whatever you want to do to make you happy, because that money you're trying to make him save, he's going to be shelling it on his side chick. And even sometimes, before I give you that example, I remember a somebody called me, a male called me at my job, and he was like, how much do you braid micro braids? I said, micro braids is $200. He was like, can I get $100? I said, no, am I braiding you? I'm braiding your girlfriend or your wife. He said, my wife. I said, let me speak to your wife. And he said, no, I'm the one in charge of the money at home. So I said, okay, it's $200 braided hair. So finally the wife came, and as I was doing her hair, I asked her a question. I said, do you work? She said, yes. I said, does your husband work? She said, no, the husband does not work. I said, so you the one who make the money? She said, yes. I said, then why did you allow your husband to make your hair appointment for you? She said, I let him control the money. I let him be the one to manage the money. I let him make all the appointments. I said, okay, do you make appointment for his haircut? At the barber shop, do you call the barbers to make appointment for his haircut? She said, no. I said, then why do you allow him to call me to negotiate the price? I said, I will negotiate my price with you as a woman, but for men, I don't negotiate prices. I'm just sorry, my price is my price. If you had called me and said, oh sister, this is what I have, I will, I'm a woman, you're a woman, I know how it feels. I will agree, I will make some arrangement with you. But a man calling me to negotiate price, no, I don't do that with men. I'm sorry. And she was like, oh, that's how we do it in our family. I said, hey, if this is how you do it, go ahead and do whatever you do. This is your own family. If it works for you, hey, I love it if you like it. And that was another woman that some years ago, I was doing her hair, and she was like, oh, I'm a pastor's wife. I don't want too much hair. I don't want the church members to know it's fake hair. I want them to know it's my real hair. I said, listen, your church members, they know, those women in the church with fat behind, they know when you have hair put in your hair. They know. And as we were talking, the husband walked, and the husband was all to match from head to toe. He was cool. I was like, is that your husband? She said, yeah. I said, you look like his mama. You look like your husband's mama. She was like, really? I said, yeah. I said, look at how sharp your husband is. And you are here telling me, oh, don't put too much fake hair. I don't want church members to know it's not my hair. I said, your church members will know when you put fake hair, when you don't put fake hair. Don't stop making it easier for these men to have money at their disposal, because they're going to be spending on themselves and on some side chick. And it even transcends more than that. Some men just don't want their women to succeed in life. Some men don't just want their women to blossom in life. Some men just don't want their women, especially in African culture, some men just don't want their wives to do better than them. I heard a story of a young lady who came from I think from Kenya, and she wanted to go to school. The husband was like, no, I don't want you to go to school. I want you to just be doing nursing agency and all of that. She said, no, I want to go to school. I want to go to school. The husband was like, no, I don't want you to go to school. I want you to just do nursing agency. Anyway, as the story has it, the lady enrolled in school, and she's now in school. One time she overheard her husband telling a woman on the phone, oh, you need to go back, you need to go to school. America is nothing without education. America is nothing without school. America is nothing without furthering your education. You need to go to school. The wife was like, wow. So you can encourage another woman to go to school, but you can't encourage your own wife to go to school. You can encourage your wife. You can encourage your side chick out there. Oh, go back to school. America is nothing if you don't go back to school. But your own wife in the house, you can encourage her to blossom. You can encourage her, honey, I want you to go back to school. You can't tell her, sweetheart, I want you to go back to school. Knowing that her own betterment is the betterment of the family. Knowing when she blossoms, the family blossoms. When there is high income in the family, your standard of living goes up. They want to be out there portraying this persona that they are good men. They are good men. They are encouraging their side chicks to go back to school. They're encouraging their side chick to do something out there for themselves. They are buying cars for their side chick. They are paying mortgages for their side chick. They are paying rent for their side chick. But when they come back home, they're like, honey, how much did you make? And can you pay the mortgage? I don't have money. No, you have money. And if you don't have money as a man, you go out and go get a job. The Bible says he who cannot take care of his home is worse than an infidel. That's what the Bible says. So women, stop telling them, stop when they tell you there is no money. Don't believe it. They have money. They will, if they want to spend money on you, they will spend money on you. They will spend money on that side chick because they know their side chick. One, their side chick have their secrets. Their side chick can leak their secrets anytime. Their side chick can come on social media and say whatever she want to say against them anytime. So they are funding their side chicks so that their side chick will not say anything against them. Whatever their side chick says, they will go ahead and do. But they know you as a woman, you're not going anywhere. You have children, your stomach is big, your head is big. You don't want to go back to school. You don't want to do anything. You want to save money for the family. That's why they have money to be spending on their side chick. That's why they can do whatever they want to do. When they're looking for a wife, they're looking for a low maintenance woman, or a woman who don't go out dinner, a woman who don't get her hair done, a woman who don't get her nails done, a woman who don't shop at Macy's, a woman who don't shop at Louis Vuitton. But they still take that money to go and give their side chick. I remember a video I did some weeks ago of a married man who had 3 children from a woman, from his wife. And he doesn't provide feeding for the children. He doesn't pay school fees for the children. But he has a side chick. The birthday of his side chick, he bought a car, a brand new white car for the wife. And he was throwing a party for the girlfriend. Then when the wife walked in and with a YouTuber, he was busted. The wife does not even have a car. That wife does not have a car to drive, but you have money. And when he comes back home, he will tell the wife, I don't have money. He wouldn't even give them money for feeding, but you have the money. You have money to go buy a car for your side chick. Women, that's why I always talk about women empowerment. That's why I talk about women enriching yourself. There are things that when I was married, the reason why I didn't leave, the reason why I didn't walk away was because there are things I didn't achieve. I didn't go back to school. The business, I was not in control of my business. My children were little, and I didn't have the finances. But the things that I used to worry myself back in the days, I don't worry myself right now about those stuff. I don't, because I have achieved certain things in life that I know I'm comfortable. I know I'm good. I know that I can do whatever I want to do for myself. And if a man comes into me, you see what I'm doing. And if you want to be a part of it, you be a part of it. If you don't want to be a part of it, the door is open. I don't worry myself about those stuff. And if a man wants to leave, oh, I want to cry, oh, he's leaving. Whoever want to stay is going to stay. You can't force nobody to stay, and you can't force nobody to leave. So women, let's keep achieving us. Let's keep achieving us and raise your standard high a little bit. Let's raise your standard high, because guess what? You are the prize. You are the prize as a woman. You are the one who cook. You are the one who clean. You are the one who births those babies. You are the caretaker. You are the mother. You are the father in the home. You are everything. Even though you are married, women will carry a lot on our shoulders. Whether you are married or you have a boyfriend, you will carry a lot on our shoulders. We carry a lot. We all have the family on our shoulders. A man will do one thing at a time. Women, we are multitask. We are multi-talented. That's what we are. So whatever you want to do, you want to go take care of yourself. Raise your standard high, because you are the prize. The Bible says, who can find a virtuous woman? For her price is far above rubies. You are the prize. Don't be saying, oh, I want a low maintenance hair. I just want crochet hair on my hair. I just want $20 hair. No. Tell him you want to get your hair done, and don't tell him how much the price is. I want $300 to get my hair done, because guess what? His side chick, he doesn't give his side chick $20 to go get her hair done. He doesn't give his side chick 15 cents to go do her nails. He gives them, he gives his side chick money in numbers. He knows how much he gives his side chick. So when you are trying to save money, the money you are trying to save in the family is what he's taking out there to go spend on another woman. Make sure you take care of yourself. Make sure you raise your standard high, because you are the prize. You are the prize as a woman. And until you start seeing yourself as the prize, nobody's going to see you as a prize. Somebody's going to look at you as a doormat rather. Somebody's going to look at you as, oh, she has babies, she has children. Nobody's going to want her. Seriously? I have 2 children. You think no one is going to want me? Seriously? Raise your standard high. Raise your value high. If you want to buy Louis Vuitton, tell him you want to buy Louis Vuitton. Because guess what? If you don't buy it, if you don't buy Michael Kors, he's going to take that same money and buy it for his girlfriend outside. Because he wants to impress his girlfriend. But you in the house, he can't impress you anymore, because, hey, where are you going to go to? You're already here. You can't go nowhere. Low maintenance women and high maintenance side chick. Until I meet you again, remember that the Lord is the strength of a woman, and nobody's going to love you more than you love yourself. Please like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until I see you again, have a good day and God bless you.